Hi everyone, today we are back with a new job opening for the role of Python engineer. The company hiring is Turing and the work location is work from home. It's a remote job. And if you talk about the experience level, it is open to all type of experience people, fresher and experience both can apply for this role. If we discuss about the company, Turing accelerates AGI advance and the deployment for leading AI, tech, and enterprises companies. By improving LLM performance and building custom Gen AI applications. It is trusted by various industry leaders like OpenAI, Google, and Meta. This company enhanced cognitive capabilities in coding, reasoning, and problem solving. With thousands plus companies, Turing accelerated and enterprises across 40 plus industries. Turing is a partner in the AGI solution in the industry. So let's understand the core responsibilities for this role. First of all, you have to conduct peer code review and you have to provide feedback to them. You have to prepare the documentation. You have to utilize Python for complex problem solving because this company is working for various companies like Meta, Google, OpenAI. So whatever the project these companies are giving to this Turing company, you have to participate into problem solving strategies. You have to collaborate with researchers to meet the business goals, and you have to develop code in Jupyter Notebook, which is very easy. I don't think it's a complex responsibilities. Further, if we discuss about more responsibilities, you have to identify and fix the bugs, whatever will be into the code. You have to understand and convey research requirement and findings as per the project. You have to perform data analysis using data sets from sources like Kaggle, the UN, and the US government. Now, let's move to discuss about the job requirement. This job requirement is first experience and second education. The experience level is very clear. It is open to all levels, juniors to seasoned professionals. It means freshers and experience both can apply for this role. And if we talk about the education qualification, only the bachelor degree or equivalent degree in computer science is enough for this role. So I don't think so. The job requirement is very high. It is very easy to fulfill if you are computer science student. What are the skills required for this role? You must be proficient in Python for coding and debugging. Even intermediate Python coding and algorithm concept is enough for this role. You must have a good or a strong problem solving, reasoning, and mathematical abilities. And most important, proficient in English with excellent communication skill is important. What the benefits you will get? Collaborative with globally renowned experts. You will build a professional networks, enjoy remote work flexibility. So this is the best part. You don't have to go to the office. It is work from home job. You will receive industry standard salary in USD because it's a US based organization. I initially told California based company, and you have to contribute to cutting edge technology projects because the projects are very good. That their partners are very good, like OpenAI, Meta, Google. They are very good companies, and you will be working on those projects. So let me give you the tip which you have to mention in your resume to get shortlisted. Okay. And if you have not subscribed our channel till yet, kindly subscribe the channel because in future we are going to post a lot of such job opportunities. So you should mention problem solving, programming language, Python, computer science, data analytics, debugging, Kaggle, mathematics, programming, reasoning skills into your resume. This will help you to get shortlisted because this company is using ATS to screen the resume. Now, if we talk about the application submission process, you just have to click on the given apply link into description. It will redirect you to the company official page. Once you will go to the company official page, there you will find the option apply as a remote Python engineer, and it will redirect you to the next page. If you click on that, and here you just have to create your account and just you have to fill your education detail, your personal detail, your experience detail, your skill set, your resume, and just click on the submit button. Congrats, your application submission is done. That's all for today, everyone. All the best for this wonderful remote work job opportunity. Thank you so much. If you need any assistance in job, you can book a call with us with the Omni Jobs experts. They can help you out. You can schedule a call at theomnijobs.com, theomnijobs.com. And from here, you can book a call with us. You will get a good career guidance from our site for free. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, please like this video and and subscribe our channel for more job updates in future. Thank you so much.